Hey everyone! Love grilled food but don't want the hassle of charcoal, smoke, or outdoor setups? Electric grills are the perfect solution for quick, clean, and convenient cooking whether you're indoors or on a balcony. From juicy steaks to crispy veggies, and even breakfast favorites, these grills can do it all with precision and ease. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric grills that deliver power, versatility, and great flavor without the mess of traditional grilling. Links to all products are in the description. Now, without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Indoor Grill Plus Griddle. Starting off our list, we have the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Indoor Grill Plus Griddle, a versatile and budget-friendly option perfect for everyday cooking. What makes this grill stand out is its 3-in-1 design, allowing you to use it as a full grill, a full griddle, or both at the same time. The reversible plates feature a smooth surface on one side for pancakes and eggs, and a ridge side for grilling meats and vegetables. It also includes dual cooking zones, each with its own adjustable temperature control up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can cook different foods at different temperatures simultaneously, making it ideal for preparing full meals without switching appliances. With 180 square inches of cooking space, it's large enough to handle family-sized portions with ease. The 1400 watt power ensures consistent heating, while the non-stick surface helps reduce the need for oil, making your meals healthier. Cleanup is also simple, since the plates and drip tray are removable and dishwasher safe. This grill is especially great for indoor use, apartments, or anyone who wants a flexible cooking solution without taking up too much space. If you're looking for an affordable and multi-purpose electric grill, the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 is a solid choice. Number 4. Weber Lumin Portable Electric Grill. Next up, we have the Weber Lumin Portable Electric Grill, a premium outdoor electric grill that brings serious heat and versatility. One of its biggest highlights is its ability to reach temperatures of over 600 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to achieve restaurant-quality searing with beautiful grill marks. This grill is more than just a standard electric unit. It offers multiple cooking modes, including searing, smoking, steaming, and warming, giving you flexibility to cook a wide variety of dishes. The steam function is especially useful because it can thaw frozen food while the grill preheats, saving time during busy days. The compact design makes it perfect for balconies, patios, and small outdoor spaces where traditional grills may not be allowed. Despite its size, it still offers enough cooking capacity for family meals or small gatherings. Cleaning is made easier with a front access grease tray, and the durable porcelain enameled steel exterior ensures long-lasting performance. It also features a low dome lid design that helps cook foods evenly. If you want a high-performance electric grill with outdoor versatility and powerful heat, the Weber Lumin is a fantastic option. Number 3. Breville Smart Grill. At number 3, we have the Breville Smart Grill, a premium indoor electric grill designed for precision cooking and versatility. With 1,800 watts of power, this grill heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures for perfect results every time. One of its standout features is the open flat barbecue mode, which allows you to use the grill as a full flat cooking surface. This gives you up to 260 square inches of cooking space, making it ideal for cooking multiple items at once, from steaks and burgers to pancakes and eggs. The heating elements are embedded directly into the plates, which helps deliver even heat distribution and better searing performance. It also includes multiple settings and an LCD display that shows when the grill is preheated and tracks cooking time. The adjustable height control makes it great for different types of food, whether you're making thick sandwiches or delicate fish. The removable non-stick plates are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. This grill is perfect for anyone who wants a high-end indoor grilling experience with advanced features and precise temperature control. The Breville Smart Grill combines performance, convenience, and versatility in one sleek package. Number 2. Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect Premium XL Grill. Taking the runner-up spot is the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect Premium XL Grill, a feature-packed outdoor electric grill that goes far beyond basic grilling. This is a 7-in-1 cooking system, allowing you to grill, smoke, air fry, roast, bake, broil, and even dehydrate all in one device. One of its biggest advantages is the Woodfire technology, which uses real wood pellets to add authentic, smoky flavor while still being powered by electricity. This gives you the taste of traditional barbecue without needing a full charcoal setup. The grill offers 180 square inches of cooking space, enough to handle large meals like multiple burgers, racks of ribs, or even whole chickens. It also includes dual built-in thermometers, allowing you to monitor 2 different proteins at the same time. Another standout feature is the Bluetooth app connectivity. You can control temperature, monitor cooking progress, and receive notifications directly on your phone, making the cooking process much easier and more precise. It's also built for outdoor durability, so you can use it year-round on patios, decks, or even while traveling. If you want a smart, multifunctional grill with advanced features and real barbecue flavor, the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect is an outstanding choice. Number 1. Charbroil Bistro Pro 3-in-1 Electric Grill. And finally, taking the top spot is the Charbroil Bistro Pro 3-in-1 Electric Grill, a powerful and versatile outdoor grill that truly stands out from the competition. What makes this grill unique is its dual fuel capability, allowing you to switch between electric and charcoal cooking whenever you want. This means you can enjoy the convenience of electric grilling on most days and switch to charcoal when you want that classic smoky flavor. It even allows you to add wood chunks for extra depth of flavor, giving you a true barbecue experience. The grill can reach high temperatures of up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for searing steaks and cooking a wide range of foods. It offers 240 square inches of cooking space, along with an additional warming rack for indirect cooking or keeping food warm. It also includes a stainless steel griddle, giving you even more versatility for cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The digital temperature display makes it easy to monitor and control heat levels, ensuring consistent cooking results. With its compact design, side shelves, and smart heat reflector system, this grill is perfect for small outdoor spaces while still offering full-size performance. If you want maximum versatility, powerful performance, and the option to switch between electric and charcoal, the Charbroil Bistro Pro is easily the best choice. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best electric grills. Whether you need a compact indoor grill, a smart outdoor setup, or a versatile multifunction cooker, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. See you in the next one.